Yeah, how I fried my tomato paste. I have 2 cups, 1 cup of Gino tomato paste and 1 cup of Derica tomato paste. So I'm going to fry them so I can add to my jollof rice base. So I'll fry my tomato just for it to have a better taste. So I've taken my time to fry. That's why I like doing it separately so I can concentrate on getting this properly done. So this is the way I pre-cook or pre-fry my tomato paste. So that's the way it's going to look if you just take your time to do it separately. So that's it.